out today's video and being part of
ride, talk to you guys a little bit about that. I know I dropped Guys, what's going on? Thank you for checking out today's video and being a part of the channel. I want to welcome you to Just Dana. Now, if you've been casually viewing this channel any length of time, or if you have actually subscribed to this channel, you've come to know this channel as LSNL, which stands for Lifestyle and Locks. However, I am meticulously going through a rebranding process. Please just know that the content that has been produced on this channel, it will continue to be talked about. So if you find today's video to be dope, entertaining, or informative, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. These being the top 5, there's not really any way for me to categorize them as like number 1 of importance to number 5 least important. These are just top 5 things. Let's start with something that I learned, and that is the skill of cutting my own hair. I actually learned how to cut my own hair, how to do my own lineup, the whole 9. As you can see here, I actually cut my hair today. I'll get you guys some B-roll here so you guys can check out the work and kind of see for yourselves. And actually, I even have a before shot. One of the very first times I attempted 2 years ago, you see how short my hair was. I actually was attempting to do my own drop fade, and I mean, it was not going my way. I ended up actually having to go to a barber that day to actually fix what I had done on myself. This process has definitely taught me a dope skill. A big lesson I've learned is actually how to take care of my hair and what real healthy hair and scalp feel like. My hair was probably its most unhealthy when it was short. So little things like exercising, I do like a green vegetable juice twice a day. I drink plenty of water, get some good sleep, and I have a satin pillow. You know, those like 4 or 5 little pillars right there, they've made a complete difference. Both of my dogs are snoring, and maybe, I bet you the mic is picking it up. So embarrassed. Another thing that has changed, and that's just life, period. Like even my wife, she was like against locks, and now she has been locked for about a year. I have not worked a job for about 2.5, 3 years. I was working a job, and when I quit my job, I had to cut out the barber. Since you're not getting your hair cut no more, you just gotta let it grow. And that's kind of what actually inspired this jump to get locks. There's a lot less products. When I first started out, there was all types of shampoos and oils and sprays and just different stuff, not knowing any better, thinking they were gonna magically make them grow. Now I'm at a place where I use maybe 3 products. That's a clarifying shampoo, natural oils like a tea tree oil mixed with like a Jamaican mango and lime, peppermint oil, my dye. And my dye actually is a conditioner based dye. So therefore when I wash my hair and I re-dye my hair, I have no need to use actual conditioner. Those are literally all I put in my hair. And for that reason, my hair stays pretty healthy and pretty strong.